Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fun gym story. Today, we follow Emma and Alex. Emma is a young woman who wants to get strong and healthy. Alex is her friend, a young man who is also a beginner. They are going to learn gym vocabulary together. Slow and easy English for beginners. No rush at all. The gym is the place where we train. Train means exercise your body to become stronger. Emma and Alex walk in and look around. Emma smiles and says, "Wow, this looks exciting." Alex replies, "Yes, let's learn step by step. You can do this too. Listen and repeat after me. Gym. Gym. Easy start. Great job already." Emma points and asks, "What is this machine called?" Alex answers, "This is the treadmill." Treadmill. Say it with me. Treadmill. You walk or run on the treadmill. Walk. Run. It helps with cardio. Cardio means exercise for your heart and lungs. Heart, lungs. The screen shows your speed and time. Speed and time. Buttons are very easy to press. Many beginners start here because it is simple. Emma steps on and walks slowly. "This feels good," she says. Alex stands beside her and says, "Start slow. Slow is smart." Treadmill. Repeat again. You are already walking with them in your mind. Nice work. Alex picks up 2 red dumbbells. "These small weights are called dumbbells," he tells Emma. Dumbbells. Repeat. Dumbbells. Hold them in your hands, lift up and down. They make your arms and shoulders strong. Arms, shoulders. Emma chooses light ones. Light is perfect for beginners, she says with a smile. You can do many different exercises with dumbbells. Alex demonstrates slowly. See? Easy and fun. Dumbbells. Say it one more time. Look how strong they feel already. You are learning fast. They walk to the long bar. "This is a barbell," Alex explains. Barbell. Weights on each side. You lift the whole thing together. Good for chest, back, and legs. Chest, back, legs. Emma and Alex decide to help each other. Teamwork makes it safe, Emma says. They start with an empty bar. Empty is okay for beginners. Barbell. They high-five after the first lift. You can feel their energy. Barbell. Repeat with them. Emma lies down on the bench. "This is the bench," Alex says. Bench. You use it for bench press. Famous exercise. It keeps your body steady and safe. Emma adjusts the backrest. "Very easy," she laughs. Many workouts need the bench. Alex spots her carefully. "You are doing great," he says. Bench. Say it clearly. They are having so much fun together. Alex shows the big rack. "This is the squat rack." Squat rack. Put the barbell on the hooks. Then squat down and up. Squat means bend your knees. Makes legs very strong. Safety bars help if you need them. Emma tries first. "We got this together," she says. Start with light weight. Squat rack. Excellent. Their legs are getting stronger already. Emma sits on the bike. "This is the stationary bike," Alex tells her. Stationary bike. You pedal with your feet. Good for legs and cardio. The screen shows distance and calories burned. Calories. They pedal together slowly. "This is relaxing," Emma says. Stationary bike. Repeat. They are laughing while riding. Alex steps on the elliptical. "This is the elliptical. No impact on knees." Elliptical. Move arms and legs together. Smooth like walking in the air. Perfect for beginners. Emma joins him. Feels nice and easy, she says. Elliptical. Great choice. Ha! They move in perfect rhythm. They roll out the mats. Time for the yoga mat, Emma says. Yoga mat. Soft and non-slip. Good for stretching and floor exercises. Alex stretches too. Feels relaxing after all that work, he says. Yoga mat. Bring your own next time. Ha! They look relaxed and proud. Alex picks up a black kettlebell. This is the kettlebell. Kettlebell. It has a handle. You can swing it or lift it. Works the whole body. Whole body strong. Emma tries a light swing. Wow, this is powerful, she says. Kettlebell. Start light. Ha! They are smiling big. Emma holds colorful bands. These are resistance bands. Resistance bands. Stretchy rubber. Pull them to work muscles. No heavy weights needed. Good for arms, legs, and back. Alex pulls with her. Light and easy anywhere, he says. Resistance bands. Repeat. Ha! Super useful. They go to the bar. This is the pull-up bar. Pull-up bar. Hang and pull your body up. Makes back and arms super strong. If it is hard, use a band to help. Emma tries with Alex spotting. You are strong, he says. Pull-up bar. Good try. Ha! They cheer each other. Alex shows the round plates. These are weight plates. Weight plates. Slide them onto the barbell. Different sizes for different weight, light or heavy. Always use clips to keep them safe. Emma adds a light one. Now it feels heavier, she laughs. Weight plates. You know them now. Emma grabs her towel and water bottle. Never forget these, she says. Towel to wipe sweat. Water bottle to stay hydrated. Hydrated means drink water. Alex nods. They are small but very important. Towel and water bottle. Always bring them. Ha! Simple but smart. Finally, they open the gym locker. This is the locker, Alex says. Gym locker. Put your bag and clothes inside and lock it. Safe. After workout, you change. Emma closes it. We learned 15 words today. Treadmill, dumbbells, barbell, bench, squat rack, stationary bike, elliptical, yoga mat, kettlebell, resistance bands, pull-up bar, weight plates, towel, water bottle, and locker. Alex smiles big. You did it! Go to the gym. Start slow. You will get stronger every single day. Emma and Alex high five. You can do this, they say together. Ha! Great job, everyone. See you next time. Stronger every day.